I'm 17. I'm very excited for the buses. I really need a way to get around town without having to get my mum to drive me, so it would just make me much more independent. I can go hang out with my friends more often. I'm in the sixth form at Chew Valley, so I didn't get onto the normal everyday bus, so if I could get this bus into school, it would give everyone in my family so much more time in the day. No one would have to come pick me up. I think I'd just be able to go out a lot more than I do now. It would just give me so much more independence. I'd be more free to do anything really. I can go like out into Bristol. The Friday and Saturday night buses as well, they'll be so helpful for me. My parents won't have to like pick me up at ridiculous hours. I can stay out longer with friends. They're also so cheap, which makes them affordable. I don't have a job, so I'll be able to get frequent transport without really costing too much.